The digital world is loud. It's a constant barrage of notifications, pings, and blue light that leaves our brains fried and our focus shattered. For years, we've been promised a paperless future, but every time we try to move our notes to a tablet, we get sucked back into the abyss of emails and social media. But right now, something is changing. Amazon has just dropped the 2025 evolution of the Kindle Scribe, and it isn't just an e-reader anymore. It is a direct assault on the $5 billion paper notebook industry. If you are a student, a professional, a writer, or just someone desperate to reclaim your focus, the next 30 minutes will explain why this single device is about to make your iPad, your Moleskine, and your sticky notes obsolete. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are witnessing the death of paper as we know it, and the Kindle Scribe 2025 is the executioner. Let's talk about the feel. If you've ever used a tablet to take notes, you know the glass barrier. Writing on glass feels like ice skating with a pen. It's slippery, it's unnatural, and your brain knows it's fake. The 2025 Kindle Scribe features a redesigned paper grit texture on its 10.2-inch 300 ppi display. Amazon has engineered the friction levels to perfectly match a 0.5mm ballpoint pen on 80-gram bond paper. When you drag the new premium pen across the screen, you don't just see the ink, you feel the resistance. You hear that subtle haptic scratch that triggers a dopamine release in the brain. This is the first time digital has truly felt organic. But the real magic isn't just in the hardware, it's in the active canvas. In the previous generation, writing on a Kindle felt like an afterthought, a layer on top of a book. The 2025 model introduces dynamic ink. Imagine you're reading a complex business book or a dense medical textbook. You see a sentence that sparks an idea. With the new Scribe, the moment you start writing near the text, the book itself breathes. The text intelligently flows around your handwritten notes. Your thoughts aren't just buried in a sticky note icon, they become part of the book's layout. This is active reading, a feature that neuroscientists say increases information retention by over 40% compared to passive reading on a screen. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: productivity. Why wouldn't you just buy an iPad Pro? The answer is the focus economy. The iPad is built to distract you. The Kindle Scribe is built to protect you. In this 2025 version, Amazon has introduced AI notebook synthesis. Imagine you've spent a week jotting down messy, chaotic notes in a meeting. Usually, those notes go to die in a notebook. But with one tap on the Scribe, the on-device AI, operating entirely offline for your privacy, analyzes your handwriting, cleans it up, and generates a structured summary, a list of action items, and even syncs them to your Microsoft To-Do or Google Calendar. It turns your analog handwriting into digital power without ever showing you an Instagram notification. This is the God mode for anyone managing a heavy workload. For the students and academics in the audience, listen closely. The 2025 Scribe has solved the PDF nightmare. We've all been there. Trying to read a technical PDF on a small screen is torture. The new Scribe features Smart Reflow for fixed layouts. It uses machine learning to identify columns, charts, and sidebars in a PDF,